Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to invite and add friends to your Apple Watch activity and fitness app. We'll look at doing this two different ways. The first is by inviting them on the Apple Watch itself, and then we'll do it on the iPhone inside of the fitness app. Adding friends is a fun way to keep each other accountable or by competing in fitness challenges. We'll go ahead and start on the Apple Watch. On your watch, tap the fitness rings icon. Next, on the main activity screen, swipe to the right to the sharing page. Here you'll see everyone that you're currently sharing with. Scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap Invite a Friend. At this point, your contacts will appear. Scroll through and choose the person that you want to share with. If they have the Apple Watch, they'll then get a share request that they can approve, and when they're done, you'll both appear on your sharing pages. You can then keep up and view how your friends are doing on their daily fitness activities. The next way to invite a friend is through the fitness app on your iPhone. Open Fitness and you'll be on the summary page. At the bottom, tap Sharing. You'll again see all of the people that you currently share with. Tap the plus sign on the top right of the page. Next, tap the plus sign again on the top of this page. You can then search for users or choose from the suggestions below. Once your friend gets the request, they can approve it and you'll both be sharing. And that's how you invite and add friends to your Apple Watch activity and fitness app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.